Hi, I'm Nicole, and I'm one of the newest instructors with Michael Management. I'm thrilled to bring you a brand new style of learning with our newest product offering, a live instructor-led Jumpstart class, which focuses on providing you an overview of the Sales and Distribution module in SAP. So I do hope you join us for our next SD Jumpstart class, where I'm confident you'll leave with a basic understanding of the Sales and Distribution module, including key functions like order creation, delivery, and billing. You don't need anything but a computer and the desire to learn. We'll provide everything else. But if you're still a little hesitant because you're not quite sure what to expect from this course, let me explain why this SAP training course is drastically different than anything you've experienced so far. First, it's 100% virtual. We have created the entire course in a manner that is best delivered virtually. You don't have to worry about travel expenses to join our training class. Again, all you need is a computer and the desire to learn. This is not your typical training class where you stare at a PowerPoint for hours on end. We at Michael Management firmly believe that the best way for you to learn and retain information is to get your hands into the system. So to that end, we've designed this course to be highly interactive, with the focus on introducing a concept and then immediately transitioning to a live SAP system so that we can transact that concept. Because the course is virtual, we do aim to keep the class size small so that I am accessible to every student enrolled in the course on any given day. So if you have questions, no worries. We'll be talking and chatting and discussing the whole time in our virtual classroom. So there's no need to worry about logging a question in the question forum or clicking a button to raise your hand virtually. We'll be interacting live the whole time. We'll be in this training course together, and the whole point is to foster interaction and understanding with you. So you might be wondering at this point, how long is the course? And will I be stuck at my computer for 6 or 8 hours? No. The course content will be delivered over the course of a single day, but we do have breaks built into our schedule, including a lunch break. So again, I do hope to meet you in our next Sales and Distribution Jumpstart class. You can register for the class directly on the Michael Management website. The class is offered every other month, so simply pick the date that works best for your schedule, and let's get started.